Right, finally, something a little bit more advanced for your Google site. Not that you need it, but if you wanted to add a little extra something, you can embed items. And normally what this is it's something that's a moving component or something that you can manipulate on your website. I myself love using countdown timers, and a great way to look this up is just to go and type in the word widget, or if you type in the word embed, they'll pull up all sorts of things for you. So, I mean, I would just Google like widgets or embed, and you'll find a plethora of things that you could put on your website. So I'm just going to show you a very simple one. So I'm going to create a countdown clock here, and I'm just going to put, virtual due date. It's going to pop up here. I'm going to give it a date when it's due, and then it's going to change it. So 24 days from now. And then I'm going to use this thing called an embed code. You could do, some other fancy things like change the background color if you wanted to. But this is the key here is the embed code. So once you click the embed code, it's going to give you a long kind of link here. Some of them a little bit longer than others. Just copy that, take it to your site, and now we're going to use the embed key or the embed function. So I'm just going to double click. I'm going to embed something, and I'm going to do it by the embed code. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that code that I picked up from the website. Click next. And then it's going to go ahead and show me what it's going to look like. And so, I'm okay with that. I'm going to go ahead and insert. All right. And there it is. So if I want to take this and move it around somewhere, I can drop it. And as always, I recommend you continually check to see what the website is looking like. If it's on a place you like, if it's on a color you like, you can always go back and change these things. So now at the very bottom, we'll have this little widget that appears, and it's a nice little, countdown timer. Now there's, a ton that don't include the demo on there, so you can find them. Like I said, Googling widget or embed code is a great way to find all sorts of different things that you can put into your website.